She can sit right in that last seat over there in the jury box, and I will call it back up when she has her story straight.
Thank you, Judge.
But if she's up here and she's lying to me, ma'am, I don't play that way.
Right.
So if you come up here lying to me and don't tell me the whole truth, because I can see exactly what's going on here. I'm not stupid. But if you come up here lying to me, you're going to go. It's really simple.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Julie Vampa Pachon. I mess it up every
I
time.
had that 5 times.
All right.
The Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Miss Julie Valpachon.
That's right.
All right, please take your.
Attorney Morgan Barroso on behalf of the people.
Please take your record.
Julie Valpachon.
Thank you, Judge. I have spoken to Ms. Barroso and to Ms. Valpachon about this matter. We are close to a resolution. The people have made a reasonable offer.
Go ahead.
Have made a reasonable offer. The issue, if there's an MDOP, it's going to be requiring something to be paid off that may have already been paid off. So I need to get a receipt from Ms. Valpachon before we're prepared to resolve it. Before we're prepared to resolve it. So I'm asking for a short, either 1, 2, or 3 week adjournment, whatever fits the court schedule best, to get that receipt and turn it over to Ms. Barroso to see if that will help to resolve the matter.
Okay, that's fine.
Hey, but
There a reason why she hasn't been going to community corrections?
I was sick. I was in the hospital.
She missed, she had a court date scheduled for February 14th. That was also,
No, I understand that, but she had missed to January 10th, she tested negative. January 19th, she missed. January 22nd, she missed. January 24th, she comes in, test positive for THC. And then she misses February 7th. And then misses February 9th. And according to this, was in the hospital on the 13th through the 15th.
so I understand what the court
Mr.
said.
Allen.
She missed several tests. It sounds like in late January into February.
and the only test that she then took for that period was positive.
So I know she was in the hospital, which is why the February 14th court date was adjourned.
Right, I have that one,
Right.
but she hasn't been testing.
Okay. She did indicate that she went to go test today. They did not drop her. They told her to wait till after court.
Yeah, because she hasn't been testing.
Fair.
And
I just found I had pneumonia. And I was sick, like I just haven't been. Whatever.
did you read this violation report?
I did not, Judge.
Because I don't know what's going on with this individual, but the very first conversation, there's a call made to the phone, and it looks like some games are being played with community corrections.
Okay.
And she tests positive for marijuana, but then indicates she doesn't have a MMC. She doesn't have a medical marijuana card. And that she was at a party and had 2 marijuana laced cookies. So on, and they keep telephoning her, said she was unable to take the test on 119, having to pick up her kids. Then she reminded that they were open from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., instructed to report to community correction on January 24th. She did, and that's when she tested positive. She hasn't given any on the February 15th, although the court has them. She didn't give any medical documentation to the two community corrections.
He said you didn't give it to the court. You must give it to Ms. Gaines. Okay. Yes, my understanding is she was working with Ms. Gaines. I guess that must be how the court ultimately received.
Pardon?
You said that the court had not received the hospitalization.
I have it. I have the hospital. That's fine with me. It's the stuff before this that is very concerning because she does her first test, she's negative. Then she just doesn't seem to do testing as though she's not taking what the court says very serious.
I'll continue to go test.
And then she's talking about, then there's this whole issue with the phone back at the beginning of January about the appointment.
Obviously, I did not.
And then she's talking about having to pick up her kids. And that's fine, except they reminded her that that they're open from 8 to 4.
Did I go to testing after that like she told me I could go the next day? And I believe I went that day,
What day?
the day after that I was supposed to pick my kids up.
On the 24th, right. That's the only test you've done.
Okay.
Do you have it in front of you? You want to see my copy?
Judge, I don't have it in my.
I don't, but
Thank you.
no, I have not. That, like,
To know. He wants to. That's on 110. When she reported to community corrections, required the intake. Yes, with the marijuana laced cookies, it appears, Your Honor. Yeah, approach.
Yeah. So she had the marijuana cookies on which day?
It looks like with the report, she said on 110.
That was after she was arrested.
I guess so, Judge.
But she just told me it was before she was arrested. So which one is it?
before. I don't remember.
She doesn't recall, Judge.
What?
She doesn't know the date. Obviously, Judge, I don't know when she was arrested. She believes it was
So
right.
tell me about the phone. Cause see, I have a feeling you're playing games with.
I don't know anything about no phone. I don't remember. I don't know nothing about no phone.
The judge says that the report is we're not returning, we're not making phone calls, it's not the right phone number for you to reach you to do the testing.
Well, no, that beginning part of the report
Yes, sir.
where they tried to call and they said they were trying to return it to the owner and they said it was actually her on the phone.
You understand what Judge
Oh,
said?
yeah, when I lost my phone and,
That's what he's asking you about.
yeah. I had lost my phone and I was getting it back from the person.
That's what he's asking you
And
about.
they said that person said somebody called me or something like that, and
So Judge is asking you about the phone. When did you lose your phone? How did you get your phone back? He wants an explanation for when.
I don't remember the exact dates, but whatever it is, I accept full responsibility,
No,
whatever.
Oh, I don't know you want to do that because that'll make my job a whole
Remember
lot easier.
when I lost it.
Well, how'd you get it back? That's what he wants to know.
I called my phone and I met up with the girl to give my phone back
Okay, where?
at the gas station.
Okay, how'd she get it?
I left it there.
At the gas station. What gas station? He wants them details.
The Citgo gas station right here outside of Hogback, whatever it's called right here.
Okay. So my understanding from what she's telling me, Judge, is that she left her phone at the gas station, the Citgo.
This was before the delayed marijuana cookies.
That's my.
Oh, okay.
This is after the cookies. I ate the cookies before I was arrested. A couple days before that, I got arrested on the 31st.
Ma'am. You have laced cookies. Take a test, it shows up negative. Then 14 days later, we probably would have known before then, But 14 days later, then you take a test and that's when it shows up in your system.
Judge is saying that it should have showed up immediately. That's what he's suggesting.
Okay,
So he wants to know how's that possible?
I don't know.
Was there another slip? Is what he wants to know.
No,
Were you around someone who could have been?
Okay, look, here's the thing. Mr. Feaster, I realize you may be at a slight disadvantage because you don't have the report in front of you.
Judge.
I'm gonna give you my copy of the report. She can sit right in that last seat over there in the jury box. And I will call it back up when she has her story straight.
Thank you, Judge.
But if she's up here and she's lying to me, ma'am, I don't play that way.
Right.
So if you come up here lying to me and don't tell me the whole truth, because I can see exactly what's going on here. I'm not stupid. But if you come up here lying to me, you're gonna go. It's really simple.
Have a seat right there. Sir.
Have a seat right, that last seat up there.
May I borrow that again, Judge?
Two o'clock block already? No, I'm gonna take a break. Vincent, why'd you go like, what do you have?
I was told to be here by Queen Anne.
Okay, then just sit there. The queen hasn't released you.
I have two to substitute in for Reggie.
You got someplace to go?
Yes.
No, he doesn't. I'm gonna grant the motions. So if you wanna go, go.
And can I leave?
Court's gonna stand in brief recess about just 5 or 10 minutes.
All rise.
Court recalls the case of the, Mr. Feaster here. People versus Julie Vampachon, I think.
Ready again, Judge Torshell Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Julie Von Pachan. And to my right at the podium, please state your name again for the record.
Julie Vampachan.
Thank you, Jeff, for giving us the opportunity to pass this matter so I could get a copy of the report and review it. I did talk to Ms. Barroso about this report. Our office did not receive a copy of it, so I did not have it. We didn't have it, so I apologize for that, Judge.
No, it's okay.
In going through the report with Ms. Vapachan, I do have some corrections, clarifications to the information I was providing previously, Judge. She did.
Oh, so now she's gonna tell the truth.
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Judge. She did lose her phone at the Sunoco gas station at 3891 Platte. About 17, just
Is the Sunoco,
the Sunoco.
not the Sitco?
Sunoco, right?
Whatever the one's right outside of here.
Sunoco, I believe, what she believes it was, Judge. She said